dear friends, welcome to part 2. What is the descending order of 40, 30, 10, 20? Let us look what is descending order. Descending order means big to small. Let us check the options. Option A, 10, 20. 20 is bigger than 10. So this is the wrong answer. Let us check the option B. 40, 30, 20, 10. It is the correct answer. Which of the following abacus shows the number of given balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 balloons. Let us check option A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 8. Here is 0. So we got 80. So this is the wrong answer. We can check option B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. So this is the wrong answer. Let us check option C. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. We got 53. But it is the wrong answer. Let us check option D is the correct answer or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Option D is the correct answer. What comes before 58 and after 56? 58. It should be before 58 and after 56. It will be 57. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following number is on the tree? 44. We cannot find 44. 95. We cannot find 95. 52. 52 is also not the. 39. 39 is the correct answer. 39 is the. The number on the given abacus is dash. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Option D is the correct answer.